Calgary is a vibrant city brimming with attractions, and we want to showcase as much of it as possible. That got us thinking, how can we explore this bustling city while giving people a taste of its highlights? The answer? The Sea Train. By traveling around Calgary via the Sea Train, we'll take you on a journey to discover fantastic places, all within walking distance from the stations. Welcome back to our Sea Train journey. In episode 1, we rode the Red Line, uncovering its secrets and exploring Calgary from end to end. Now, it's time to take a closer look at the vibrant heart of the city, downtown. Episode 2 is all about the free fare zone. What's in the fare-free zones, you ask? Well, it's a unique stretch of Calgary's downtown where you can hop on and off the Sea Train without paying a fare. It's perfect for exploring the city's core. Let's start! These are the stations within the free fare zone. These stations are all located along 7th Avenue Southwest in downtown Calgary. Running in an east-west direction, these Sea Train stations are part of the red and blue lines that are conveniently situated on the south side of 7th Avenue Southwest, providing easy access to 8th Avenue Southwest via nearby crosswalks and pedestrian pathways. And the other 4 stations are running and situated on the other side. By the way, the walk from 8th Street Southwest Station to City Hall/Bow Valley College Station takes about 25 to 30 minutes, making it easy to explore Calgary's free fare zone. But in this video, we are showing you the vibes right by the stations, so if your feet are whining, you can hop on a Sea Train to the nearest downtown spot because when walking's a drag, you can let the train be your hero. So, let's start our journey from the City Hall/Bow Valley College Station right in the heart of downtown. This station is not just a gateway to the free fare zone, but also a hub for some of Calgary's most iconic destinations. Right next to the station, you'll find Bow Valley College, a cornerstone of education and community in Calgary. Calgary Central Library, a modern architectural masterpiece and a haven for book lovers and learners of all ages, is also just a short walk away. Studio Bell is also a walk away. It is home for the National Music Center in Calgary. It's a unique venue that combines a museum, performance space, and recording studio all under one roof. While we are walking to the Studio Bell, we saw this little park named The Bounce. The Bounce is a creative and energetic community space where visitors can bring their own ball to enjoy interactive games and activities. Now, we are at Central Station. From here, you can check out Arts Commons where there's live music and theater. Hungry for fancy? Teatro restaurants dishing out Italian deliciousness in a historic bank. There are also other restaurants in this block that you can check out if you're on a budget. For some fresh air, Olympic Park's close by, ideal for kicking back or catching a random festival. Although currently, it is under construction, so it's more hard hats than picnic vibes for now. Want a photo op? Head west to the family sculpture on 5th Avenue Southwest. These sculptures is showing stylized human figures in a circle, symbolizing unity and community. It's like Calgary saying, "We're all in this together." And it's perfect for a quirky selfie. You can also take a stroll down Stephen Avenue Walk, a bustling pedestrian street filled with restaurants, shops, and historic buildings. This area is perfect for grabbing a coffee, finding a unique souvenir, or simply enjoying the lively downtown atmosphere. While you're here, don't miss to turn into 1st Street and cruise up to 9th Avenue Southwest, where the Calgary Tower is located. Walking through the opposite direction from the Calgary Tower towards the 6th Avenue, you will find the Wonderland sculpture. Now, in the 1st Street Southwest Station. Looking to shop? Hudson Bay is conveniently located just steps away from this station, offering a variety of options for the shopaholic in you. Heading down 1st Street Southwest towards 6th Avenue Southwest, you'll come across Bow Valley Square, a lively hub with retail stores, food stalls, and much more to discover. Next stop, 3rd Street Southwest Station. From here, you're within walking distance of the famous Core Shopping Center. This retail hub is packed with shops, dining options, and even the Devonian Gardens, a stunning indoor tropical garden where you can take a relaxing break surrounded by lush greenery. If you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of downtown Calgary, make your way to Prince Island Park. This stunning green oasis offers scenic trails, wide open spaces, and the perfect backdrop for relaxation. Welcome to 4th Street Southwest Station. Our first stop is Hotchkiss Garden. It's an ideal spot to pause, recharge, and enjoy a moment of tranquility amidst the bustling cityscape of downtown Calgary. Next, if luxury shopping is in your agenda, make your way to Holt Renfrew. This prestigious department store is renowned for its high-end fashion, exquisite accessories, and premium beauty products. A true paradise for those with a taste for elegance. As an added convenience, Holt Renfrew is seamlessly connected to the core shopping center. If you are planning to go on an intercity travel, the Red Arrow Terminal located at the corner of 5th Street and 5th Avenue is just a short stroll away from this station. Also nearby is the Court of King's Bench of Alberta, located at the Calgary Court Center on 5th Street Southwest. This is a prominent judicial institution and is an integral part of Alberta's legal system. From here, you can traverse along 7th Street Southwest to reach the iconic Peace Bridge. This stunning red pedestrian bridge spans the Bow River, offering breathtaking views and connecting downtown Calgary to the northern riverbank. It's a must-visit landmark for its unique design and picturesque surroundings. Looking to unwind amidst urban charm? Century Gardens is just a stone's throw away from this station. As our tour comes to a close, we hope we've inspired you to hop on the C train and discover the heart of Calgary for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Calgary's vibrant downtown and its free fare zone. Until the next episode of this series, keep exploring and seeing the world in new ways. See you in our next wander.